Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a fighter jet. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now from the top, press it. Turn and fold towards the crease and press it. Then from the other side, fold and press. Alright, now open the folds. Now towards the other crease, fold it from one side and then the other. Now fold our triangle and mark the points from one side and repeat this step from the other side too. Alright, now fold it towards the bottom and press it. After folding it upwards, open the folds and form the wings. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now form the structure of the plane from one side and then the other, press it. Now we have a rough structure. Fold the wings first from the bottom and then from the upper side. Cut the unwanted part. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.